Home warranties are a great way to protect yourself from unexpected repairs and maintenance costs for your home. A home warranty acts as an insurance policy that covers the cost of repairing or replacing major systems such as heating, air conditioning, plumbing, and electrical systems. It also provides coverage for large appliances like refrigerators, washing machines, ovens, and more. Home warranties provide peace of mind by eliminating the financial burden of these costs if something goes wrong. They can offer protection from expensive repair bills due to malfunctioning appliances or worn-out components in your system/appliances. Additionally, they often include free consultation services, which can help you identify potential problems before they become costly issues. Best home warranty companies. Home Warranty of America, HWA, is a reliable provider that offers comprehensive home warranties for homeowners. They offer coverage for major systems and appliances including heating, air conditioning, plumbing, electrical systems, and more. HWA also provides additional perks such as free consultation services to help you identify existing or potential problems before they become costly issues. Additionally, their customer service team is available 24/7 in order to assist with any inquiries or claims related to your coverage. Choice Home Warranty, CHW, has been providing dependable home warranty protection since. Their plans cover a wide range of devices and components from water heaters to refrigerators. In addition to repairs and replacements, CHW includes an annual maintenance tune-up at no extra cost, which helps ensure that the covered items are functioning properly all year round. Furthermore, customers can expect fast response times from their friendly customer service representatives who are always willing to answer questions about your policy or provide assistance when needed. Old Republic Home Protection, ORHP, is one of the most respected companies in the industry, providing high-quality home warranties since. Their plans provide extensive coverage for many different types of repair costs as well as preventive maintenance services like system inspections and tune-ups at no additional charge. Customers appreciate ORHP's commitment to excellent customer service by responding quickly to any requests made regarding their policies or claims submitted against them. This makes it easy for clients to find peace of mind when using this company's protection plans. Fidelity National Home Warranty, FNWH, has been offering competitively priced warranties since 2010 with good reason. They put a lot into creating customized solutions tailored specifically for each individual client's needs while still keeping prices low compared with other providers on the market today. With FNWH, customers receive complete coverage on both major systems and appliances along with accessorized benefits such as free consultation services, which allow them better understand how best to maintain their homes over time without compromising their budget too much. In comparison. When comparing home warranty providers, it is important to look at the details of their coverage plans. Different companies offer different levels of protection and coverage for systems and appliances that can vary greatly. It is important to be aware of what services are covered in order to make sure your needs are met. Additionally, pricing plans should also be considered when making a decision, as some companies may offer discounts or special offers depending on the length of the plan purchased. Customer service is another factor that should be taken into account when choosing a home warranty provider. Companies with good customer service will respond quickly and accurately to any inquiries or claims made against their policy. This makes it easy for customers to find peace of mind knowing they'll get help if something goes wrong with their system/appliance. Furthermore, many companies provide free consultation services, which can help homeowners identify potential problems before they become costly issues down the line, allowing them better maintain their homes over time without breaking the bank. Pros and cons. Pros and cons of Home Warranty of America, HWA. The pros: HWA offers comprehensive home warranties for homeowners, covering major systems and appliances including heating, air conditioning, plumbing, electrical systems, and more. Additionally, they provide free consultation services to help identify existing or potential problems before they become costly issues. Their customer service team is also available 24/7 in order to assist with any inquiries or claims related to your coverage. The cons: while their coverage is quite extensive, there are some limitations as it does not cover normal wear and tear damages or items that were already broken when the policy was purchased. Additionally, HWA charges a service fee each time an appliance needs repair, which can add up over time if multiple repairs are necessary. Pros and cons of Choice Home Warranty, CHW. Choice Home Warranty has been providing dependable home warranty protection since 2008 with good reason. Their plans offer coverage for a wide range of devices and components from water heaters to refrigerators at competitively priced rates. On top of repairs and replacements, CHW includes an annual maintenance tune-up at no extra cost, helping ensure that covered items are functioning properly all year round while offering fast response times from their friendly customer service representatives who answer any questions about policies quickly without hassle. The cons: despite its many advantages, Choice Home Warranties do not include coverage for certain types of repair costs like floods or natural disasters, so customers should be aware prior signing up for this type plan if these risks may be present in their area. Also, depending on the state where the policy was purchased, there may be restrictions concerning what type work can be done by qualified technicians, meaning you could end up paying out pocket even though you have a plan in place already. Pros and cons of Old Republic Home Protection, ORHP. The pros: ORHP is one of the most respected companies in the industry, providing high-quality home warranties since 1974. What are they offering to customers? Old Republic Home Protection, ORHP, offers customers a variety of discounts and free services to help them save money. One such service is their annual maintenance tune-up, which helps ensure that the covered items are functioning properly all year round at no extra cost. Additionally, ORHP provides free consultation services where customers can speak with an expert about any potential problems they might be having with their systems or appliances before they become costly issues. Furthermore, customers have access to 24/7 customer service for any inquiries or claims related to their coverage plan. This makes it easy for clients to find peace of mind when using this company's protection plans. ORHP also offers competitively priced warranties compared to other providers on the market today. These plans provide extensive coverage for many different types of repair costs as well as preventive maintenance services like system inspections and tune-ups at no additional charge. This comprehensive coverage will give homeowners added security, knowing that expensive repairs may be taken care of if something goes wrong in the future. Finally, ORHP is committed to excellent customer service by responding quickly to any requests made regarding their policies or claims submitted against them. This further ensures that clients can easily get assistance should anything go wrong with their home warranty policy. Conclusion. In conclusion, a home warranty is an essential tool for any homeowner who wants to protect their investment. Not only does it provide coverage on major systems and appliances, but it also offers preventive maintenance services and free consultation services, which can help homeowners identify potential problems before they become costly issues down the line. Additionally, by comparing different providers, customers can find the best plan that fits their needs while still staying within budget. Companies such as Old Republic Home Protection, ORHP, Fidelity National Home Warranty, FNWH, and Choice Home Warranty, CHW, all offer comprehensive plans with competitive rates that include added benefits like free system inspections or annual maintenance tune-ups at no extra charge to further ensure customer satisfaction every step of the way. Your support will help us continue to produce high-quality content that will benefit the business community. So, don't wait any longer, hit that subscribe button, share our videos with your friends and family, and give us a like. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.